Hey guys, this is Ganna and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be test riding the new Yamaha FZ version 3. So let's go to the Yamaha showroom. They had called me for a test drive. So let's go there and check it out. Okay guys, I'm riding the FZ version 3 right now. Wow, the bike is very smooth and it is quite comfortable to sit on. The foot pegs are right under my seat, very commuterish. Even the handlebar position is good. I don't have to stretch my arms to grab on the handlebars. Suspension is also good. The tank is bigger now. Now it can hold 12.8 liters of fuel. The gear shifting is butter smooth. Let's test the braking. Smooth. The braking was good. A single horn. The engine is so smooth that while downshifting I can't feel that engine hum. Tanto kaya na. Yeah. It has trip 1, trip 2 and the odometer. So I just now finished test drive of the Yamaha FZ version 3. It is a really nice bike. It was very comfortable for both the rider and the pillion. The power delivery was smooth. It had good low end and mid range. And going by the current pricing of the 150cc bikes, I think the FZ version 3 makes sense because it has FI in it and also has the single channel ABS. And I heard that it gives good mileage of around 45 km per liter, and that's a good thing. Hope you guys like the review, and if you want to see more review of different bikes, please hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. Bye guys, always wear helmet and ride safely.